So I'm Dr. Ludsmary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic volume testing and failover testing for the subjects software testing. First, we'll see what is volume testing. Volume testing is a type of non-functional testing that refers to testing the data load capabilities of a product. For instance, if we expect certain database growth, we may want to artificially grow the database to that size and test the performance of the application when. So we'll see diagrammatically what is volume testing. So volume testing deals with huge data volumes, as the name implies. It is inhabiting a database. So consider the database may have the combination of different data types and connections between them. The different challenges that it includes in the volume testing. So volume testing is a non-functional test, refers to the testing the data capabilities of a product. So if we expect certain database growth, we may artificially grow the database. Similar to the load testing aspect of validating the concurrent users threshold, it involves validating the system performance during an increase of data processing or transfer. This kind of testing can determine the amount of data the application can handle before it starts to display errors or even stop. So it is a key player in verifying the scalability of system, whether the database loaded with so many extensive records, the file system managing countless files. Volume testing, it uses an advanced performance testing tool. It provides insights into how well an application behaves when pushed to its database capacity limits. So it's crucial in data driven world, since we are using so many number of social media files, Instagram files. The capacity on the data type also varies. The efficiency of handling large volumes of information can make or break the software. Next, we will see what is failover testing. It is used to verify the system's ability to continue a day-to-day operations while processing part is transferred to a backup. It can determine if a system is able to allocate additional resources when it is needed, when the testing is needed, or even if it is able to recognize when the need has. So it's validate the system capacity during a server failure to allocate sufficient, even though the server crashes, it allocates sufficient resources towards recovery. In other words, it assesses failover capacity in servers. So diagrammatically will see what is failover testing. So as the diagram shows, it will be having the user that may be connected through a internet. The failover testing will monitor. So where the whenever the system fails, so the primary server is down, it will routed to the secondary server for rescue. So what is the benefit of performing the failover test? Verifying the data errors and measuring losses or other related problems at a certain point in an application should cease to function, confirming performance impacts of component errors.